Are you looking for a quick and easy holiday digitizing project? Hatch 3 can instantly auto-digitize a linework or Redwork-style design, especially when you have a clean vector line art image. Over the past few years, coloring books for all ages have become quite popular. Why color on paper when you can color embroidery? When Hatch handles all the digitizing for you, you have plenty of time to spend on your project, and for this design, we'll be adding coloring with colored pencils or crayons. With this project in our Hatch Academy All Access membership, we'll discuss what to look for in artwork, both for ease of digitizing and for use with coloring after stitching. The type of media you use for coloring, crayons, pencils, ink, etc., will dictate the type of details you can include. In Lesson 2, we'll auto-digitize our artwork using auto-digitize Instant Embroidery. This makes this design so fast to digitize. We'll talk about inserting and using EPS files as vectors, and we'll compare features and advantages of using the Redwork and Branching tools. In Lesson 3, we'll talk about further design modification. Branching a larger complex design into one object looks really great in Hatch, but stitching can result in some misalignments due to the push and pull of distortions that occur during sewing. You'll learn some tricks to prevent those registration errors. In Lesson 4, we'll discuss making an easier to color version. Now, depending on the media you choose for coloring and your skill level, you may need something that has more open spaces. We'll talk about how to do that. I'll also give you some cautions about why you might not want to multi-hoop a design like this. In Lesson 5, we'll do our stitching and coloring. I'll talk about fabric tips, what you need to do to prepare your fabric. We'll talk about stabilizing for coloring, coloring tips for crayons and pencils, and I'll color with pencils so you can see how I do it. So what you'll get with this course are your 5 lessons, you'll get the artwork, and you'll get 6 finished designs. This is a really fun project for all ages, and it works up very quickly. This is a technique you'll really want to learn.